Hey everyone, if Excalidraw keeps crashing, closing unexpectedly, freezing during use, or crashing when opening a drawing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Excalidraw crashing problems in 2026. First, refresh the page or restart the application and try again. Temporary software glitches can sometimes cause crashes that disappear after a fresh start. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Excalidraw and the latest version of your web browser. Updates often include bug fixes, stability improvements, and performance enhancements. Another common fix is checking your device's available memory and storage space. Low system resources can cause Excalidraw to become unstable, especially when working with large drawings. You should also close unnecessary browser tabs and background applications to free up RAM and processing power. Another helpful step is testing a different drawing. If Excalidraw only crashes when opening one specific file, the issue may be related to that drawing rather than the application itself. If you're working with a very large canvas, try reducing the number of elements, images, or embedded content. Complex projects can consume significant resources and increase the risk of crashes. And that's how to fix Excalidraw crashing problems in 2026. In most cases, updating your browser, reducing drawing complexity, clearing cache data, and disabling conflicting extensions will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.